How do you do that? The one and only answer is by implementing the digital solution. So how you can use digital business or not is the choice is gone. After working like last 15 years in IT field, this is what I realized. What is IT? Yeah. Sure, it happened. Thank you.
So let's give a big hand to the studio leaders to bring the training to you. Why don't you give the big hand to them?
Our product to cope with the digital world, but still keep our core values. What are your suggestions? Maybe only basic step by step for the product development. And you can choose just your field, anything that you want to share.
It's actually very broad question. I love to have a separate discussion on this one and give more insight. So when you wanted to build a business so the question was, the business is already existing, or it's the physical business doesn't exist yet? Just want to ask about this one, Hugh.
She said you might choose your favorite fields to share, as she doesn't have a specific ones now. So just your thoughts.
Sure.
General thoughts. Yeah.
Okay. So when you want to build a particular business, it's not a choice anymore. You want to use the digital business or not? It's the choice is gone. Your business must have a digital face. Think about, if you want to build a business, you must have a website right now already. It's like 10 years before, 20 years back. You have to have a website. You have to market it yourself. So as you want to build a business right now, so you have to run your product development cheapest. You have to do your problem solving, marketing and sales the cheapest, and you have to do your operation of a company cheapest. How do you do that? The one and only answer is by implementing the digital solution. So how you can use the digital technology in your product development will define how expensive you are and your product is going to be, how much you can implement for your product and marketing and sales, so you can get a revenue on the same place for your business. And the last one is about your operations, how much technology you can use so you can have a very efficient and effective and cost-effective business model, so your business can grow with a very small amount of investment, so which can scale forward. So when you are doing a business right now, and let's say you want to open up a business in 2020, one of the key thing, you have to be very cost efficient and effective. So because no one is going to give you money, no one is going to invest you in money with $1 million unless you have already. So what do you have to do? You have to start to build a business and already take it to flying, already take it to a place already which has a good cash flow back into it, and then the investors, the VC will be interested to invest on you. So to answer your question, you want to implement your digital technology for your business as an entrepreneur right now. It's not a choice anymore. It's the basic. Otherwise, it's going to be very difficult, because every business you want to build right now, there are two things very different. It depends. One is scale and one is magnitude. So let me give you an example. You want to build a let's say about the juice store next to your ground floor of your home. So it has a high magnitude, but it has a very low scale, because you can sell only the people who are living next to you. But think about, if you are including a technology field, you can do a digital marketing and social media, and you can run a platform like Grab and partnering with it, and then you can distribute your juice all over Ho Chi Minh City. And that's bring you large quantity, will help you to reduce the cost of your business. And there's some business already had a by default scale. Let's say about you want to build a beauty product example for beautification for the girls. You can sell it to a lot of girls, but if you do a right sourcing and use the digital marketing, your traditional marketing cost will be very lower to reach to that huge amount of people and girls all over Vietnam, and you can sell them and you can deliver them in a very cost-effective way. So that was my point, is that if you want to build a business or you want to scale up your business, digital transformation is not a choice anymore. It's basic. You have to implement.
Okay, thank you for your insights, Masu. I hope it's answered your questions, Binte. And the last question before we end the session, both of you can answer this as well from my fan. She would like to know, based on your experiences, what are the traits of a good leader? Do you want to start first, Mr. Lam?
Yeah, okay. So in my opinion, there are three things that to be a good leader. The first thing is that